Hello and welcome back to the A&W Automotive YouTube channel. The Polo Dune is back again. It's not broken, but it's kind of broken. Nothing that we've fitted so far is broken.
Nope.
What's wrong with it?
So the clutch is slipping in fourth gear, only in fourth gear, and the flywheel is going to fall out soon, just knocking back and forth.
Yeah, so obviously with the gearbox out, we're going to change the flywheel as well. Volkswagen UK have supplied us, they haven't supplied us anything actually, we've had to buy it, a single mass flywheel. We're pretty confident there's a dual mass in this car,
Yes.
but we'll take it out and explain that. Or we might take the gearbox out and find that there is no dual mass in there, which would be pretty crazy.
Would be that strange.
So we're going to pull the box and have a look. So to pull out our gearbox, which obviously sits down here alongside the engine, we've got to get everything off above it first. So the airbox has come out with the air filter housing, batteries out, battery tray is trying to get out, but obviously with this car being the age it is, everything's corroded. We get the starter motor out, the gear linkages and cables out the way, take out this slave cylinder just there. And then once all that is out the way, then we'll have to go up underneath the car and carry on stripping from underneath. Everything is more or less stripped out in the engine bay other than the starter motor, but we've just pulled the slave cylinder out the top of the gearbox, and as you can see, that's seen better days. I wouldn't be surprised if that's the original one for the car. There is a boot on it, but it's
deep in there.
Doesn't exist anymore. That will have to be replaced later because we don't have one of them, but yeah.
It's got me down. I love football. Sorry.
Why have you moved that?
Oh, why have you moved that?
Because it's not going to go back in the same place, is it?
Oh, wow, it's going the wrong way. It hit me in the face. You missed it a little
Jesus
bit.
Christ. Ow. Oh yeah. Gearbox probably needs topping up. Oh, there's Nutella.
Oh mate, that's not even like, that's hard.
That's what CV grease shouldn't look like. It shouldn't look like Nutella. It should be greasy, like grease. This is going to go so badly.
Like, it's already touching.
That's what I mean.
Need a smaller socket.
Normally it would never be this difficult.
Hey, don't even try, Jack.
You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Oh. Use a ratchet.
I don't like ratchets. I don't do stuff quickly. I love this ratchet.
You just
slagged it off and then... The Flexi's whispering to me.
What's it saying?
Why have you undone me?
It wasn't really a whisper.
It was a whisper scream. Oh, well, what should we get next then? Oh, sorry, mate, you in a rush?
The football, mate. I want to watch England.
Kind of helped.
Try again.
Right. Wiggle.
I've got the back. You focus on the back. Oh yeah.
I've got it.
You sure?
Yeah. I put my fingers in the TV, Pete. It's a single mass. Why does it sound like that? Is my release bearing?
So the gearbox is out the car, and to our surprise, it is a single mass that's fitted to this. So the noise that sounds like a dual mass isn't the dual mass. The fingers on the clutch plate look okay. None of them are broken. Obviously, we need to get that off and have a look. So we are putting the noise down to the release bearing, which currently most of the grease is outside of it. So we're going to be replacing that as well, cleaning up the inside of the bell housings. That's full of clutch dust. Probably wasn't far away from breaking up, to be honest. Let's have a look at the clutch plate.
Oh, this is hot. Not in a good way.
It has just been driven here.
Ooh, my hands are burning. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
It's close to rivets outside. It was touching rivets outside.
Yeah, that's
why it's slipping.
I'll do it. So that's your friction surface here, which should be nice and, oh god, it's hot. It should be nice and smooth. Obviously that's been engraved.
You can see on here.
Yeah, the rivets.
Here, that rivet has been, well, that's become the friction material essentially.
Yeah, and then the opposite side.
Oh, sorry. That's not, that was on borderline.
Yeah, just about to touch the rivets.
I probably had about 2,000 miles left at most.
Yeah, so it's that. So obviously this is going to be replaced along with the friction plate. And I think we are going to be changing the flywheel as well.
That's quite heat soaked.
That is, yeah, heat soaked and damaged. So let's get that all replaced.
Bloody hell. Oh, sorry, bit hot.
All right, I apologise.
Oh, that's really hot.
New release bearings in the bell housing ready to go, along with the new clutch and flywheel. So let's try and lift this ridiculously heavy box back in.
Yes.
Hello?
Finger ring out. Wiggle, wiggle. That wasn't too bad.
That was painless. That was all right. Someone's put their hand in the way. Oh no!
So beautiful.
That's not CV grease. That's gross. That's gross.
It's pretty bad.
So while the drive shaft's out, we noticed that the CV grease isn't grease anymore. It's more like a coal texture. So we're going to stick some new grease in it. We've got to clean all those up first. Right, let's see what this gearbox all looks like. Could you light me up? That's dust. I think it's going to be quite clean. It's quite clean. Didn't bring my little tube. Oh, thank God you're not away. You never use it like this?
No. I don't think the bottle's that good, to be honest. I appreciate you using it right now. Just for that clear. All we need is a reservoir that has a airline attached to it that forces all the fluid into the...
You can do that on a regular bottle. So new clutch is in, gearbox is back in, all the drive shafts re-greased, everything else is back together. So now we should be good to start it. It's not knocking anymore. It is loud. This is a 3-cylinder diesel, but it's not knocking. So we're just gonna run it up, get it up to temperature, put it up in the air and check for any leaks. Great, yeah. We changed the clutch. Not a Duel-mass.
Nope.
Noisy release bearing. But hey, it's got a nice new clutch. The pedal feels amazing. It feels brand new. And we changed the gearbox oil as well. The stuff that's in it was pretty good.
Yeah, it was right,
I mean, we were there.
We were there.
Yeah. Next for the Polo, will hopefully, because we keep saying this, will be the light bar.
Both of them.
Both of them. And then, hopefully, we can take it out for some stupid off-roading.
Yeah.
A little bit of off-roading and then see what breaks. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you need your clutch, flywheel or release bearing replaced, contact us with the information below. Thank you very much. No, that's fine like that.